Hello guys, this is JB. This is my sixth day in day six in the simulator. So today was again a red day. I think I overtrade for the most part, and I also made some mistakes with the short keys. So yeah, let's see how many trades I took today. I took 72 tickets and I lost $274, right? Thank God this is simulator, so don't worry about that. Okay, so I made a lot of mistakes today that I said to myself I was not gonna do it, but these mistakes, but okay. So the first stock I trade was eBay. Gonna pop this up. Oh, where did it go? All right. Okay, so eBay. Right at the open, I was trying to do a 5 minutes opening range. Let's see what I did here. So it was at 34.53. Yeah, I tried to make this was actually it was not a 5 minutes. So I made again this mistake. This was before the 5 minutes opening range. I tried to make a 4 minute opening range. So I went short right here because I saw the price was getting down this candlestick. But immediately when it went up, I exit the position and I lost $18. Then then for these 5 minutes, I made another mistake. This opening range, it's kind of hard for me because right here I shorted here. I was checking the 5 minute chart, but the price was not below this candle, so this was a mistake. So I shorted here, but then the price went up, so I have to exit 35 and I lost 70 $74. Then oh yeah, because I had more shares, so yeah, so I shorted first here, then I exit half of the position, then I added more here, and then I have to sold right here at the top. So I was down like $150 trying to short eBay, but not following the rules that the opening range, the price has to go below the wicks or the candle. So I made a mistake there. Then I made another mistake, and this was that I checked MTSL and I tried at the same time. I was trading MTSL and eBay, so this was another mistake. So MTSL at 937 right here. So I went long here with 1,000 shares, and then look what I did. I went right back to short eBay. So I was managing both trades at the same time, and I cannot do that because I don't have the expertise and the volatility of a low float stock like MTSL. If I am checking Twitter and suddenly this MTSL makes a big move against me, so I will lost a lot of money. So I have to know, I have to keep my word and not doing what I'm not supposed to do. So MTSL 364. Yeah, so I added more here. This was, I don't know why. I mean, I had right here, it was almost 20 cents. I was winning 20 cents, so I could have covered here, and this was an important level. So I wasn't paying attention to that. So I should have long here and just sold my position here for profit, but I did not do that. So, oh wait, let me see. Now MTSL 364. 3, sorry. Okay, yeah, I tried to add more here, but then I had a good average cost, so I sold position here, and actually this was small profit of $60, so that wasn't too bad. Then I tried to add more here. This was when I got really messy. So I tried to add more here, and then I thought this level was gonna break, but it did not. Then it bounced back. Then I say, okay, this was a good pullback. I mean, the 1 minute chart was looking good. This was a 1 minute pullback. So let's add more here in the 5 minutes. We can interpret it as a pullback. So it was actually looking good, but then this drop like in 3 minutes. And I was saying, okay, if this drops below the VWAP, I'm gonna get out. So there was a huge red candlestick here. And this was a big loss because my average cost was like 350 and this dropped all the way to 329. So I lost $200 there. And then let's go back to eBay. So at the same time, I was shorting eBay. This was really bad. So 937, I short eBay right here at 34.70, 71, and then right here I add more. Sorry, let me see this better. 937, yeah. So I tried to short eBay here because I was seeing that okay, this was like pulling back. So I short here, then I add more here. I had 800 shares, and then this was actually a good move because the VWAP was, I mean, this candle right here went above the VWAP, but it closes just below it or just in the middle of it. So I short here, then I add more here on the pullback, and then this stock went down. And I also see this candlestick in the 5 minutes, this huge wick above it. So I said, okay, the sellers are in control of the price. So I cover here at 34.4, and this was actually a good profit, $166. So that was okay. Then, yeah. Okay, I think I tried to add more here. Yeah, I tried to add more here for short, and then the price went up. So I think I exit the rest of my position right here. So I had another $112 in profit. So I think I did a good short on eBay, on eBay, yeah, but later on you will see that I lost that profit, part of it. So then again here at 955, yeah, right here in this candle I shorted, but I saw the price just didn't want to break this level, so I was quick to exit my position, and I lost like $26. Then I traded CMCSA. I've heard someone that it could be a good ABCD pattern. I think I've heard it. So I looked at it, and at 10, all right, let me see something. Well, yeah, they were talking about a reversal because this 5 minute candle couldn't make like new higher highs. So I shorted here. I shorted here at 34.99. Then I added on this pullback, and then yeah, I missed selling this because this candle was really quick. I was gonna cover my short in this level, but it was really quick, so the price bounced back and I have to exit because I was afraid the price just keep moving up. So I lost like 20 bucks there, not too bad. And yeah, I went back to eBay at 10.6 and make a long here. This was a, oh yeah, this was a good long because 10.6, because I saw this 5 minute candle. They couldn't make new lower lows, so I actually make a long here and then sold at 34.50. I sold and I had $50 profit. So yeah, I made a couple of more trades in eBay. Not too, I think I was over trading maybe, but yeah, Twitter is really going from red to green. So I don't want to make these trades on eBay too long. I want to talk about the trade I took on ABBB. That was a really big loss. So let's check it out. ABBB. So at 10:33, yeah, I went long. I went long here because I saw this candle didn't make a new 5 minute low. But I also took that decision because I saw on the one day chart that this level was really strong, because we can see here how the price bounced from this level. So I thought, okay, the price is gonna hold this level. So I wanted the best risk to reward. So I wanted my entry just right in this level, so I can take a reversal back to the VWAP. So I did that, but I made a really funny mistake here. Because I say, okay, if the price went below this candle, I'm gonna exit the position. But what I did was actually I made a sharky mistake, and I didn't sold my position. I add more. So I was longing more, but my intention was to sell here. So I add more to my long, and then the price dropped more, so I have to cover here, and this was the 280 loss. But then I was kind of right that this was maybe a reversal, because that level, it didn't respect it at the point, because it was sometimes it does this price action does not respect exact price points, but it's more like a zone. So you can see here, this was the last red candle, because right in the next one, it make a higher high. Then I took the reversal here. I took the reversal right there, and I made some profit back. So I end up losing $200. But then in the way up, I tried to scalp when this candle break the previous high candle. I scalp it, but then I wasn't really quick. I think I lost more money than I made in these scalps. But yeah, that was it for today. $274. I still want to take more tickets. I still want to trade at maximum 1 hour and a half in the morning, and maybe be around 50 tickets, no more than that. Because I've seen Andrew and I've seen a lot of big trades that make a lot of money. They usually go with really high share size, and they take profit really quick. I don't know, 10, 20 cents move and they take profits. So I think that's a good strategy, because if you go really with high shares, you have a better possibility to make more money for small moves. But if you have small share sizes, you have to wait for longer moves, so you can compensate your trading and your commissions and so on. So yeah, I think I am in the middle, because once I start doing in the live account, I will have like a medium account size. So yeah, and if I use leverage, maybe I will be able to take positions with high share sizes. I'm thinking about starting with 500, at maximum 800. So that's what I'm trying to do in the simulator, working with 400 or 800 share size, and see what happens. If I'm not very good at that, so I will have to reduce my share size from 200 at maximum 400 and so on. Yeah, that's it for today. Bye bye.